Dunk, dunk. Bugs Bunny. Let's make him. He's such a character. Let's start by putting Bugsy's nose on, followed by a fold twist for a cheek, followed by another fold twist, and twist, and then another fold twist. I've chosen to use this nice pale blue, baby blue. It's nice to give out to younger children. Now we're going to come up to the eye and grab the little ears, which is just a round balloon folded in half to make a figure of 8 shape. That goes at the base of the eye. Now we need our eyes to be the same size, so we're just going to mirror them. So we've got the 2 eyes and the bases at the same approximate measurement. And just twist them around. So you can see already the shape of his face coming along. We'll work on the big floppy ears at the end. That just gives you a little bit of an idea. Next we need the neck. Just like a 1.5-inch bubble. And we're going to take the arms that we've pre-made and a little fold twist there, which gives the neck some support. I'm going to wrap it at the base of the arms. Once he's got his hands on, you might want to give him a little carrot to hold, made from an orange balloon. Next, we're going to work on the body. We want a fairly short body because our little Bugsy's going to be sitting down. Just push the air down the balloon a little. Make a little fold twist. And then just feed the excess into that little space you left there. Then we're going to take his legs and just find the half. These hands and these feet have just been made by a simple fold twist. At the bottom of his seat there, we'll just twist the legs onto it. Just straighten him all up. And put his little knee joints on, his elbow joints, his knee joint, and just finish off by working a little bit more on those ears so they look nice and floppy. If you wanted to, you could always add a happy smile. I mean, at the end of the day, Bugs Bunny is a very mischievous little character. Hey, Bugs Bunny, how are you doing there?